to temper that success. I wish you joy in all your days. I wish you sadness so that you may better measure joy. I wish you gladness to overbalance the grief. I wish you humor and a twinkle in your eye. I wish you glory and strength to bear the burdens. I wish you sunshine on your path and storms to season your journey.
In order for something new to come, something old must go. And that old can sometimes mean let go of what you know until now.
Most people try to create a new personal reality as the same personality, and it doesn't work. You literally have to become someone else. If you keep thinking the same thoughts, keep demonstrating the same behaviors, keep living by the same feelings and emotions, your personal reality is going to stay exactly the same. But if you have new thoughts that lead to new choices, that demonstrate new actions, that create new experiences, that cause you to feel differently, you will begin to walk into a new future.
Sometimes you will have to convince yourself that it's possible.
You go from zero to hero, from peasant to king, if you change the way that you think. And if you don't know how to change the way that you think, begin to digest new information. Stay away from the haters, stay away from the losers, stay away from the people with weak minds and weak mentalities, and find those people that empower you. Find those people that elevate your spirit and your soul, and understand that your potential, my friend, is limitless. You, my friend, are limitless. But you must believe. And if you can believe, all things are possible.
All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and start. Rand Rising.
Rich Rising.
Yes,
I had to unmute.
So we're going to start with the 30. Because it is right before opening bell. It still has not broke our trend line. Barely trend. So the 30 has not yet broke the trend, the daily trend. But it is making a lower high here. So it might break that that midweek resistance area. Right here. And consolidating since yesterday. We have it rejecting off the midweek here. Let me look at now. Nas came right under this profit. Like literally dancing around to take profit right here. Okay. Literally dancing around to take profit. Yesterday. You see that? It just basically like danced around right above the right under the TP right here. I'm looking for the US 30 to follow behind Nas. Just because Nas broke yesterday, I think on opening bell we're gonna see the 30 break that trend. Just because it's been making these lower highs, it's not making no new lows. Even on a daily, you're not seeing it make no new lows. It's just hovering around this mid resistance, this resistance area right here. Like just moving, it been moving like across this resistance, like not breaking above it. So I'm waiting for us to pull up and break above this 300 area. This is where we looking for it to break. In a few minutes, we got like another 15 more minutes to watch that thing break. So give it a few minutes, and that one, we're really gonna look at that one to break. So gold is still trending up. So I want us to go over this right here with gold. So you can look at the direction in which gold is moving. Here, I use the trend lines to put the trend on top and on the bottom on a 4 hour. So I gave did the support and resistance here, going across to see the direction in which gold is moving, because it didn't give us an indication of which way it's going. We know that it's respecting the daily trend. So when we come over here to the daily trend, we can see that it's respecting this trend. It hasn't broke this. If we just look at the past week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just looking at the past week, gold has been making new highs each day. So, being that we don't have an indication of how high it's going, if you put the support and resistance across on the 4 hour, you will get a clear indication of which way it's going. Because we're getting higher highs above. This is the way it's rejecting from. So, yeah, no, I enter in gold usually during London session. That's when you usually see the indication for gold during London. They give us that indication with the doji followed by the flat. They gave me that indication right in London on the 1 hour. See? And it's within the order block. Doji, flat bottom. Clear indication for entry right on London. That's when gold start moving. Yeah, we waiting for New York open. Bitcoin has been making higher highs, but it is rejecting right now the midweek resistance right here. On the daily. It's still rejecting it. Yeah, it hasn't broke. I think the buyer is gonna continue for Bitcoin because it hasn't broke this midweek resistance. It hasn't even came and tested the low. DJ broke above ninth, but I was looking at buys for DJ. They just gave us an entry pattern here. The answer for DJ for a buy. At the stop below the midweek. I will wait till the next 30-minute candle. Okay. Looking for a buy on GJ. You'll take it to the high, to the weekly high. Here. I will wait till New York open though. After like a few minutes before I enter because it's gonna pull back. I might give you a better entry at 9:30. Yeah, see, we got 30 breaking above right here. In a few more minutes. I'm waiting for that bell. 30 break. All of this is unclear price action. Waiting for 30 to break. think it's gonna follow right behind now. Take a few more minutes. And Nas is not finished buying. Nas is not finished buying. We got it coming out of the 4-hour order block. Yeah. Pull back, or nice entry. Opening bells in 2 minutes. You got Bitcoin still respecting a daily trend for the past 3 days. Yeah. And it's still above the midweek. You know, if we're above the midweek and we're above the mid-month, should be looking for a buy in Bitcoin. And it is rejecting this. We get a clear retest, that's a nice buy. Don't break this area right here. That's a nice buy. That will be a TP1. This will be a TP2. Looking for it to reject the midweek. opening bell. Yep. We're gonna pull down, hit that trend line, and bounce. That's dance. This is all rejection. Yeah. All that's fucking unclear movement. This is just all unclear price action. There's the rejection. Yeah, then a clear time. Yep. I already expected it. Break this damn trend already. We're gonna be looking at this damn daily. These lower highs indicating that this thing is gonna reverse back up and we're in touch. What I don't like is this choppiness on this like when you see it wicking like that, it's not giving us a clear indication. This wick stuff right here is not clear. Now it's already moving up. Yeah, now it's already going. I still don't enter Nas until 10 o'clock. With a clear indication for Nas. Looking for it to come up. I really wanted to break this. This would give me a better confirmation. This break up here. Because we got it sitting in the area of buy. You see, we sitting in the order block right here. And that thing jump. That thing jump. Yeah, we got it pulling up now. Now they already hit the high. Nas and 30 have not been moving in syncly on the same day. What we is getting is we getting Nas making this move first, and then like the 30 following behind it. Oh, just shot up. Oh, just shot up. Oh, definitely just shot up. You will go just there. Oh, just shot up. Fuck off.
Yes. And I'm caught up in the 30 over here.
The gold just shot. See you later. They just, oh, definitely just took off. So I was looking like more into getting in it during London. Quita, I really been like narrowing gold down, like literally narrowing.
Yes, and I do remember that used to wake up. I used to set an alarm to wake up around that time so I can find me an entry at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So this 2 a.m. candle on the 4 hour.
See, it's 2 your time and it's 1 my time.
Yeah. So
That's the exact time I would get up to try to get my entry.
yeah.
I got
And
to get back
so
on it.
yeah, no. So what I'm seeing now is that I had it before set to 6, but I'm seeing that the candle, the 4 hour candle on the 2 a.m., which is happens during London Open, because this is the 2 a.m. and this is London Open. So I'm seeing that it moved right on London Open. Like if you get in it during London Open, you're catching a good spot. Especially like if you're going in with the trend, like it's so I marked it, just going back. You can see the 2 a.m. within that time frame. But that London is when you get in during London, it's like you're getting in a good spot. You're getting in a good spot.
Exactly. Before people start looking for their positions, you
Mm-hmm.
already in position before it
Yep.
started to set up for the move. Yeah, because I think at that point we're looking at the wrong time
Mm-hmm.
because it's already set up and in motion.
Yeah. See how it's already going? Like by the time New York open, it's like basically more money behind it. Like it start moving during London and then it take off
Yeah,
in New York. And you're already in position. Like even when it pulls back a little, like it's not coming back. It doesn't come back to this area. Like even in the pullback, like you're still in good position to ride it out. So that London, if you're trading gold and you're getting in the New York session, you're getting in late. You're getting in late because it doesn't pull back this far. Like even like when it just pulled back here, still a good entry, but it's not pulling back as far as this. And it's like riding along this trend. Let's see, the 30 already started moving up. See, it's about to break that. Come on. It's about to break that 300. And I say it's going to do that. 30 finna run up. 30 finna run up. It's breaking that resistance. We're about to see it break that resistance. So we got a buy on 30 happening. What's going on with Bitcoin? Yeah, it's rejecting the midweek. Got Bitcoin rejecting this area. Yeah. DJ took off. So if you did not enter DJ took off this now. You left it over. DJ took off. So I hope you're into that for that buy. DJ took off. Gold took off. And 30. All took off. So we got three things moving. If y'all should be all in profit because the 30 took off in the up, breaking the trend. Gave us an entry pattern on that next 15-minute candle, that 945 candle on the 15. It's pulling up above the midweek resistance area. So we got 30 on a buy. I don't know if it's news that came out that he Unemployment rate comes out tomorrow. That's tomorrow. He's going to push that. So we got 30 going up. We got gold buying in consideration about. We got a new 4-hour candle that's going to come out on gold in a few minutes. So we got now just consolidating still. It hasn't broke the high just yet. But it is making a higher high. Yeah. I'm looking for it to break and go to this into this order block to break the high. We've been getting higher highs on Nas. So I'm looking for a buy on Nas as well. Just based off of it making the higher highs coming out of the 4-hour order block here. Still respecting this buy trend on the 4-hour. So I'm looking for it to come into this order block here. I just will wait till the 10 o'clock handle because we're gonna have a pullback on the 10 o'clock handle for entry for a buy. For now. Yeah, we got a candle, a new 4-hour candle coming out on gold and on Nas. Look, we got gold buying. Nas is about 30 is about. GJ already started moving. It broke above the midweek. Your take profit should be the weekly high, and your stop loss should be under this midweek resistance area. Yeah. For GJ. So y'all got your entry confirmation just to go over. We got 30 for a buy. The take profit, I got it set to into this order block here. Okay, as a TP1. A TP2 would be the monthly high. But I got the take profit set here into this order block here.
That's where mine said it.
Yeah, into the order block. And the gold in accordance to how it's moving on the support and resistance coming across the 3600 area is where I got my take profits for gold. I don't enter knives before 10 o'clock because I know it's gonna pull back on that 10 o'clock window. And I'm looking for a buy as well on knives. We got it making, it made a new high here. They gave an entry pattern on a daily here. Doji flat back indicating a reversal. We'll wait for it to pull back. And this slide. On the stop. And this up here is to take profit. For now. As recommended, only enter. I'm not entering in all of these positions. I pick two and I enter in two. So I'm only entering in the 30 and the 30 and gold. I'm already in. The 30 and gold. Like I don't try to take every single trade. You don't gotta take every single trade. You don't gotta open 10 trades. Use proper risk management. Okay? And trade smart. You're not gonna miss no money here. Take two money movers, hop in those, and relax and collect your bag for the day. You don't need every trade. Okay? I twin trade, so I don't open no more than 4 positions at a time. All right, y'all. Let's get this money. Y'all should be all in profit.
Let's get this money.
Let's go.